Greetings, subscribers, and welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Cypher's channel.
Yay!
Today we have a CRYOLOPHOSAURUS. So we have the box here. It's still sealed. We're gonna unbox it. This thing is from 2020. 2020. Right. There we go. We're gonna compare it to its Primal Attack variant. And this guy's from Camp Cretaceous. So we're gonna unbox it and check it out. There we go. They both have sound. Let's check the box first. Alright, it comes with a card inside. It has a trashing action. It has a head strike as well. Head strike. And we already have these guys. We haven't reviewed this Baryonyx yet. It's a Grim, the Green Baryonyx. Grim. It's also green, actually. The nickname is Grim. So it's still downstairs, still sealed. And we're gonna check this guy out. We're gonna compare it. Okay, let's open it up. There you go. It's finally out from its cage box. After 4 years, it's been unboxed. So it says here it's from 2019. It's actually 2019, same as the yellow one from Primal Attack. Camp Cretaceous and a Primal Attack. They're both the same. They're both variants. They have this crest on their head. Exactly the same, but their mouth doesn't open though. It's manual. You have to move it yourself. Yep. So there you go. I don't know which one's better. What's a better color? Definitely same head crest, different color paint job here. Okay. Well, also, I'd like to thank you for our subscribers and for our newly viewers there. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button for more dinosaur content and custom dinosaurs. And of course, our hybrid from last time. We haven't. This is right now. This is the progress of the hybrid right now. We haven't gone that far yet. I didn't have time. I was kind of busy. There you go. I'm trying to paint it red and maroon. This will be our next hybrid video, like I said. It is a Hesperosaurus and a Nigersaurus. There you go. Alright. So anyways, back to this too. Oops. So there you have it. They didn't also... Oh, there you go. They painted the claws for this guy. The yellow one has painted claws, but this guy, they didn't do it. Mattel didn't paint it. But the finger claws, like... No, they didn't. They didn't also. But yeah. So swing it that way. It makes a trashing sound like the Dominion Tyrannosaurus. There we go. Definitely classic one. They got their DNA scan on their foot. Hopefully in the future they'll make another variant of this guys. But yeah, there you have it for today, guys. Can't wait for Chaos Theory coming soon. In the next few weeks. Or days. Maybe the toys will be released, I would say, first week of June. But yeah. Once again, I'd like to say thank you for the non-stop support. And you guys have a good evening. Thank you, guys. Have a great one. We'll see you later. Bye.